Happy Tuesday, guys. Today's math mashup is all about social media and basically phone apps. So we've got Twitter, YouTube, Spotify, Instagram. And what you guys need to do is you need to find out what each of these is worth. So in the end, in either your Google Doc or your Flipgrid, you're going to tell me Twitter is worth blank because in line 2, I was able to solve that Twitter is worth blank because blankety blank. So remember to use mathematical language. So if I'm going to explain what Spotify is worth, I'm going to say, oh, I found that there were 3 of these. I know Spotify is worth X, whatever you say Spotify is worth. So I know I can divide Spotify by 3 to figure out what each of the Instagrams is worth. Make sure you use your mathematical terms. Make sure you explain what each line is and how you found it. Also, please, if you're doing a Flipgrid, you might want to write it out or have a plan so you make sure you use that mathematical language. Have fun. And today you have 2 math activities. This is just your warm-up. So make sure you go to the next slide and do that one too. Have a good one.